Hello everyone! Are you a network engineer? Or maybe you want to hire a young specialist but you can't test his knowledge yourself. Give this test to candidates and check their knowledge with answer key. Question number 1. What is the primary difference in how voice information is sent in an analog system compared to a digital one? A. Analog uses ones and zeros while digital uses waves. B. Analog varies radio signals in the same pattern as the voice, while digital converts voice into ones and zeros. C. Analog is faster and more reliable than digital. And D. There is no difference, both use the same signals. Question number 2. Why are digital signals considered more robust than analog signals? A. They are louder. B. They can be fixed using error correction routines if there is interference. C. They do not require any physical cables. And D. They only work over short distances. Third question. What happens to data during the process of packet switching? A. A dedicated physical path is opened between two computers. B. Data is compressed into a single large file for transmission. D. Data is broken into small chunks called packets to be sent over a shared network. And D. The network prevents any other users from sending data. Fourth question. In a packet-switched network, what is the purpose of the header attached to each packet? A. It contains the actual message like the text of an email. B. It contains instruction on how to delete the data if it's not needed. C. It contains the source and destination addresses and info on how to reassemble the packets. And D. It acts as a password to unlock the computer. Fifth question. Which protocol allows a computer to automatically obtain an IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway when it connects to a network? A. SMTP. B. FTP. C. DHCP. D. SSH. Sixth question. What is a datagram in the context of network transmission? A. A logical unit of data, a packet transmitted in a connectionless mode. B. A physical device used to connect two routers. C. A specialized type of fiber optic cable. D. An error message sent when a connection fails. Sixth question. What is a datagram in the context of network transmission? A. A logical unit of data, a packet transmitted in a connectionless mode. B. A physical device used to connect two routers. C. A specialized type of fiber optic cable. D. An error message sent when a connection fails. Seventh question. Which of the following is a well-known datagram protocol that does not ensure that transmission is completed? A. TCP. B. UDP. C. HTTP. D. HTML. Eighth question. What is encapsulation in computer networking? A. The process of deleting data headers to save space. B. Wrapping data in a header from a specific layer, similar to putting a letter in an envelope. C. Turning a computer off to protect it from a virus. D. Converting a digital signal back into an analog wave. Ninth question. When a message moves from the transport layer down to the network layer, what is the result of the encapsulation? A. A frame. B. A bit. C. A packet or datagram. D. A segment. 10th question. What is the process of decapsulation? A. Adding more headers to a packet as it travels. B. Reversing encapsulation at the receiving computer by stripping away headers to reveal the original data. C. Encrypting a file so it cannot be read. D. Breaking a large packet into smaller fragments. 11th question. Which protocol is used to find the physical MAC address of a device when only its logical IP address is known? A. DNS, B. DHCP, C. ARP, D. HTTP. 12th question. Which type of address is burned in or permanently programmed into a network interface card (NIC) during manufacturing? A. IP address, B. MAC address, C. Subnet mask, D. Default gateway. 13th question. What is the primary job of the domain name system (DNS)? A. To assign temporary IP addresses to computers. B. To translate human-readable names like www.cisco.com into numeric IP addresses. C. To protect the network from unauthorized users. D. To speed up the physical transmission of data bits. If you want to know the answers, see the YouTube community post. Link is below in description. Keep learning and never give up. Thank you for watching.